lovelies, the almighty Notcoin is back. To me, this is one of the best news in 2025 for now. So, happy new year to you all my lovely subscribers. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Sussy's vlog. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, out and money on the side where you're waiting for that particular order or job offer or sit at home person or just a side hustle. This is where I also share my no-fail commercial business recipes on cakes, small chops, commercial drinks, food trays, and whatever you want. So this is our channel where we share legit updates on how to earn money, good money. So Notcoin is back. Now this is the best news yet in airdrop mining update in 2025. So I'm going to walk you through the process of how to navigate around this Notcoin app. Now, if you're not on my Telegram channel, do yourself a very big favor by joining via the link in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. Also, do me a big favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in 2025 we must get it right, either in airdrop mining updates or in crypto trading updates. So without wasting much time, let's walk you through the interface. And this is Notcoin, right? Here is your rewards. Your rewards are going to be reflecting here. I've not earned anything yet, so it's going to be 0. Now this is the level you are on. This is called bronze level. So once you just click on the link of Notcoin that I'll also be pinning in the description box and the comment section, you're going to be able to log into the mini app on Telegram, and you're going to be also on bronze level. Then this is the friends tab, and this is the more tab. I'm going to walk you through all of this, don't worry. So the first thing you have to do is to come up here and, like I usually say, connect your wallet. Make sure that you are on this home page here, which is the Notcoin. So you come here and connect your wallet. So once I click on this right now, it's going to ask me to connect either my Telegram wallet or my Tonkeeper. If you are a subscriber on this channel and you have been following me, you know that I'm not a big fan of Telegram wallets. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on Tonkeeper. And once I click on Tonkeeper, it's going to load the Tonkeeper interface or app just like this, and it's going to ask me to connect wallets, and I'm going to click on connect wallet, and I'm going to authenticate this. And ladies and gents, my wallet is automatically connected to Notcoin, and then it will bring me back to the Notcoin mini app on Telegram, which you can see here. So once you've done that, if I click on this particular level where it shows browns, it will tell you that you are on browns. The higher your level is, the more profitable pools are open for you. You can go as much as platinum, and you can access platinum to, you get times 5,000 profit, and you can also get this for 798 Notcoin. Yeah, you can get this for 798 Notcoin. Currently, I am on browns, and for browns, once you're tapping, you have times 1 profit. I know you're asking me, where is the tap? Let's go back. So now, another thing here is the friends. This particular friends, once you click on it, you get 15% bonus when your friends level up. So you cannot click on this link down here, on this tab down here. You click on it, and once you click on it, you can invite a friend. I'm back again on the home page. Now you're going to click on this more. Once you click on this more, it's going to bring you here. Now, this is the interesting thing about Notcoin now. Now you can make your withdrawal on Notcoin when you have a minimum of 200 Notcoin. Does that sound interesting? When you have a minimum of 200 Notcoins, you can make your withdrawal on Notcoin. What you just need to do is to click on that small option, come here and click on withdrawal. Now it's going to ask for gas fee, and the gas fee is 100 Notcoin. Yes, and it takes up to 10 days for this to be withdrawn or process. That is, once you submit your withdrawal request, which is a minimum of 200 Notcoin, and you have a gas fee of 100 Notcoin, it takes up to 10 days for that withdrawal request to be processed. And this is the reason why the first thing you have to do is to connect your wallet, like you saw I did first, so that when you're making a withdrawal, it will be sent automatically to that wallet you've connected. I'm back again to the home tab. I've shown you how to connect your wallet. I've also shown you what your level is. I've shown you how to invite your friends. I've shown you the small option, and again I'm still going to click on that small option. When you click on that small option, you see the option here to level up, right? Once you click on this level up, you can now level up here. If you decide to level up with Notcoin, you level up here. Then the next thing I want to show you, still under the more tab, is the end history. Once you started mining Notcoin, the end history is going to show you what you've earned so far. For now, this is showing 0, but I assure you in the next few days this is going to be increased, because Notcoin is a project we all love, right? So now back to Notcoin. When you scroll up here, you're going to see the Not games. This Not pixel, the one we're actually doing on Telegram, where we are painting, where we are mining. I hope you have not started fading. You have not faded this particular game. So this one is what you can play. One of the things you can play to earn yourself Notcoins. And another way of earning Notcoins is by performing the special request offer. You come here, don't take this projects, don't play with this pocket file. You click on this, you earn. Another way is you come here under this explore and earn. You see all these particular ones there, you do them. I will try to walk you through one of these so that you can see what this particular one is. I'll try to walk you through, and then once you are through, you can now click on the apply here. That is, when you are ready to earn, you click on that apply there, and once you click on this apply here, it's going to take you to the interface, this particular interface, and you can now start doing your tax. It is very simple. So the first thing you have to do is to first of all click on start with tax, and once you click on start with tax, it will load this interface. Let your project be explored, right? Your project campaign 15 Notcoin per hour. Then you come here, you click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to also bring more notification or more ads. Just click on next again, next again. You can read through if you want to, then click on next and the final next. So once you are here, you've done this first tax, which is the explore Notcoin. You've done that first tax. See it. You can see that it sticks. The next thing tax you want to do is to connect your wallet. We know I've already connected our wallet. They want to reconfirm. You click on connect wallet. It will check that you've connected your wallet. Okay, connect your Timekeeper wallet again, and it will take you back here. Click on connect, input your fingerprint, and ladies and gents, we've done the second tax. And yeah, you can also decide to use your Telegram wallet if you want. Then you click on continue here, and once you click on continue, it will confirm that and check the box. You see, then it says hold at least 130 ton. Hold at least 130 ton. Simple verification to get access. Then the next one is join partners channel. So the thing is, once you have done this particular one, is the next task. The one where you join partner channel is the next task. Now the thing is, once you have done this, if you see a green tick here, then this particular one, this next task will be open. So I'm going to just come back. I'll come back to that particular task. Let's go back to the Notcoin. So click through this, practically walk you through what this first home tab is, and the next tab we're going to is this games. So you come down here, you click on games, and once you click on games, you have some games here. This one is the only one that's available for us to play now. So once you click here, it automatically take you to the Not Pixel mini app, and you can paint as much as you want. If I scroll up, you see that there are some games that are already finished. This Lost Dogs is finished. This Notcoin Clicker is finished, right? So that is that about this option. You can also play with a squad. So I would advise you to join a squad. And the next tab I'm going to is the specs. You come down here, you click on the specs. On the specs, you can do all these tasks to earn yourself more not coins. So remember that what we can withdraw is not coins, and you can withdraw a minimum of 200 not coins, yes, to your wallet. So you can come here and do all the stacks here. Just scroll to all this game, do them, look at all this, look at all this, look at all this, just do them. We have bombs here. If you're not farming bombs yet, please join the Telegram channel and do the needful. So we have some featured games that you can join them. So the next tab I'm going to walk you through is this NY tab. So once you click on it, it brings you here. Notcoin is saying Happy New Year, friends, and I'm also saying Happy New Year. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting my Telegram channel. Thank you so much for being awesome. I really appreciate it. So if you're going to see all this particular one, New Year results, see what you've done through the year. So you can click on next. Thank you, friends, for 2025. I'm just going to go back now. I'm going back to the New Year tab, and I'm going to show you the ultimate clicker. Look who's back, and this is where you need to do your tapping. Now let me give you a hint. If you want to earn more in this clicker, you need to tap with, the way we tap, we really do not coin tapping. You tap with multiple fingers. Yes, that's how you earn more. Remember that on bronze level, your tapping profit is just 1. So when you're tapping, you'll only be seeing +1, +1, +1, +1. So you have to use multiple fingers to tap so that you earn more, right? So I'm going to click on that clicker right now, and once I click on it, it's going to load this Notcoin logo. And get ready, guys, I'm going to tap with multiple fingers, so you might be hearing some tapping sound on my screen. So you click on tap. Now see, you have to tap it before the timer gets exhausted. So just tap. See, it's 9. Now you have 5 trials every day. Yeah, you have 5 trials every day. So I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to show you. Try again. I'm going to tap now. Make sure you tap with multiple fingers. You can see there's several 1 showing on my screen. Yes, do the multi tapping using multiple fingers. So let's do that, guys. Ladies and gents, I had 394. So you see the hint I gave you works. Just tap with multiple fingers. In fact, you can tap with your head. Go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do that again. I'll get back to the video. So I've exhausted all the Notcoin tapping for today, which is 5. We have 5 opportunities to tap. So I'll come back again tomorrow. I'm just going to click on this back option here, just right here, and I'm going to go back. Now don't fade. Do I even need to tell you? Don't fade Notcoin tapping. So I'm just going to scroll up, and you can see that there are more things you can do on Notcoin. There are more things you can do with your Notcoin. You can actually do some purchases, live purchases on Notcoin. You can get something like a face cap, a branded face cap, branded Notcoin face cap if you want to. Then you can also get like t-shirts. You can get them in different colors. You can get hoodies, different colors. So if you want to go ahead to do that, please go ahead and do that. Back again on my Notcoin and dashboard. So do me a favor by joining the Telegram channel via the link I'll drop in the description box. Also do me a favor to start farming Notcoin using the link I'll drop in the description box and in my first pinned comment. And do yourself a big favor by staying subscribed to this channel, turning on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on all the updates. Follow us on our Twitter or and TikTok handle. TikTok handle is Sussy's Vlog. Follow us also on Facebook and on Instagram at Sussy's Vlog. Thank you so much, so much for staying tuned to our YouTube channel. This is Sussy's Vlog. Expect awesome updates this new year. Once again, Happy New Year and welcome to 2025.